Distance between any two points in the xy plane. Let A, which is x1, y1, and B, which is x2, y2 be any 2 points in a plane. Draw AP and BQ perpendiculars to x-axis. From point A, draw AR, which is perpendicular to BQ. Then OP is equal to x1. OQ is equal to x2. Therefore, PQ is equal to OQ minus OP, that is x2 minus x1. Here, APQR is a rectangle. So, PQ is equal to AR is equal to x2 minus x1. QB is equal to y2. QR is equal to y1. Therefore, RB is equal to QB minus QR, which is y2 minus y1. In right angle triangle ARB. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AR square plus RB square, which implies AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Transposing square to the other side, we get AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Therefore, the distance between 2 points A, which is x1, y1, and B, which is x2, y2 in the xy plane is AB, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. This is known as distance formula.